Good morning, everyone. I am Mr. Jose S. Destura Jr., commonly known as Sir Jun, especially among our students. I am the current director of the Special Health Sciences Senior High School of De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute. In my previous video, I told you that I never dreamed to become an educator, but it runs in the blood. So I cannot hold on anymore with that kind of aspirations that I end up to become an educator. So for the record, I am a graduate of AB Philosophy. So my major is philosophy. So that's why I am good at nourishing some philosophical argument, making sure that you have you treat the person ethically and morally. But mind you, I'm also a graduate of physical therapy. So with this, I can integrate my knowledge, my medical knowledge with my philosophical orientation. And that's why I want my student to become a holistic person, a holistic medical professional who can become a good Lasallian at all times. Our school is considered as the Special Health Sciences Senior High School. It is specialized in its nature because we have certain subjects that are highly specialized and indicated for students who are pursuing the medical professional. So, if I may say, if I may characterize our school as indicated in the previous video that we had, I would say that the Special Health Sciences Senior High School is a home where future board top-notchers are honed and nourished. Okay, it makes me emotional because our school is indeed a place where our future students, our students became board top-notcher. I have a number to support it. In fact, I would say I am confident to say that more than 50% of board top-notchers that we have in our institute are alumni of senior high school. And it's a home. When I say it's a home, it's a place where students are treated as our own children. Okay, so if we treat our students as our own children, we make sure that we nourish them in such a manner that they become an able professional. They are honed in such a manner that they become a good professional in the future. Our school is specialized senior high school indicated for future medical professional. And as such, we were given by DepEd a certain freedom to offer specialized specialized subjects that are indicated for our students, which will serve as foundation for them in pursuing medical professional. Okay, so right now we are offering STEM, health-oriented or health-related tracks. That is to say, we offer some specialized health-oriented subjects, which are very important and which serve as foundation for students pursuing medical professional. If you remember, I told you that senior high school is envisioned as a home where future board top-notchers are honed and nourished. So it's a home. So in senior high school, we nourish our students both in the academics and non-academics aspect. All right. So if I may say, in terms of academics, our students are very competitive. Okay, to illustrate how competitive they are, our students are known for winning international Olympiads like Bio Olympiad, Mathematics Olympiad, and we have several students who garnered awards on those international competitions. Now, in terms of research, that is one of the things that we can be very proud of in senior high school, because our students are very competitive and very research-oriented. In fact, we have several students who won local and international research competitions. They are known to be, they were considered as best presenters in their field, and they were recognized for that. In terms of non-academics aspect, in our school, we make sure that we offer a holistic formation. And holistic formation indicates not only academics but also in terms of non-academics. Now, in terms of non-academics, we nurtured our students to become who they are. So we promote different student organizations. Our students are known for being competitive in their own field, in their own organizations. To single out, we have Sobos, we have Euphoria, we have Sigabo, we have Flax, we have Ladja. This is the counterpart of Red Cross, and we have several student organizations. Not only that, senior high school has become a breeding ground, has become a, how do I say, a training ground for future leaders. In fact, we have already, to be more exact, we have already 3 presidents of institutional student council who were previously leaders of our student council. So it has become a training ground. And our students have acknowledged that they are very grateful for those opportunities. In senior high school, we consider our environment as a home. So it's a place, as I said now, it's a home or a place where we try to nourish our students. Now, if it is a home, then we should consider our students in a homely environment. So we consider our students as our own children. And if we consider our students as our own children, then we should promote inclusivity. In senior high school, you can become who you are. No judgment whatsoever, in as much as you do it in a most appropriate manner. So, you are our children. We accept you the way you are. You can become who you are for as long as you follow the guidelines, for as long as you follow the student handbook. Now, not only that, in senior high school, since we are known to be a feeder for our institution, we make sure that our students are very capable. And as such, our school is also known academically for its rigidity. It's a kind of culture that is done on purpose. We have to ensure that our students are properly or appropriately prepared to embrace the medical profession. So our academic rigidity is done on purpose. We have to ensure that our students are properly groomed, properly nourished to become an able and holistic medical professional. Our senior high school students are deemed to become a good medical professionals. And for that reason, we have to ensure that our students are nourished academically and our students are nourished with a proper disposition. When I say proper disposition, they are properly formed as persons, so that later on, they become a medical professionals who treat their patients as persons and not numbers. So we have to ensure that our students will have that kind of personal disposition of taking care of the patients as person with their dignity. So that makes them a Lasallian. That makes them a Lasallian medical professional. And I think that's the main contribution that we can provide in terms of the medical industry. We produce students, we produce medical professions who are not only academically prepared, but well-rounded professionals. My message for the upcoming students and my former students: be Lasallian at all times, because it is something that will identify you differently. And it is something that you can always prove to the world that you are a good person. Welcome aboard to a place where future board top-notchers are honed and nourished.